can't believe I got an F. I can't let Mom see this. But I know what to do. I'll run my hair straightener over it, and the F disappears. It's like magic. Uh-oh, here comes Mom. I need to be quick. I think I deserve an A+. What's going on down here? Gina, you're home already? Oh, hey Mom! I got my test result! Wait a minute. Let me see that. Oh no, this is how it ends. I'm so proud of you, sweetie. You obviously get your brains from me. I sure do, Mom. And my sneakiness from Dad. Phew, I made it. I thought I was gonna be late. Okay. Where's my notebook? I wish I could move desks. Ah, here it is. Ooh, what's that? No! My pencil slipped. Great. And now I can't use my eraser. Hey, how's it going? Do you have an eraser? Sure, give me a second. I've definitely got one in here. Where is it? That's a lot of junk. I'm instantly regretting this. Hold on. I know it's here. Sorry, I can't find it. Oh, okay. Wait, what's that? What are you talking about? Ah, that's where it went. Thank you. That was weird. I should really clean my bag. Wait! I can't take it anymore! I think I can help you. I have just the thing. I'll take a sheet of card and fold it into 3. I'll fold one side over. I'll run glue over the edge. Then I'll press the other side down. I'll make sure it's stuck. I'll add a little glue to the top. Now I'll fold it in half. It's like an envelope. I can put this to one side. I'll make more and use different colored card. It's just like a rainbow. I'll wrap a piece of foam around them, and then I'll add some Velcro. Then use foam to make a unicorn's face. It's like a wallet. And it looks cute. Here you go. This is for you. Wow, you made that? It's amazing! Wow, look at this! There's space for all my things! I can't wait to use it! It's just what I needed. It's perfect. Yeah! I think that's everything. I'm hungry. I need a snack. I think I've got something in my bag. At least I thought I did. Oh, don't worry. I've got something for you. It's my way of saying thanks. What? How did that fit in there? Hey, I'm not complaining. These are my favorites. It's not coming out. Oh no! Oh no! Stay away from me! You can run, but there's no escape. Can't we talk about this? I just want to see your grades. She never gives up! Hey, Gina! No! What have you done? Why did you do that? I'm sorry. It was an accident. Quick, let me help. I can't find the cap. Wait, I think I know what to do. This might work. We can use the doll. Well, the doll's head. I'll remove it from the body. Then I'll press it onto the glue bottle, and I'll twist it to make sure it's secure. Hey, I like that. Now give me the grades. You need to be quick. Wow. I'll squeeze the bottle and the glue should come out. It's like snot. It's kinda gross, but funny. It worked perfectly. I'll stick it to the test. No one will ever know. Whew, my turn. Keep a watch out for the teacher. Wow, this is awesome. Great work, Wendy. Goodbye, F. Hello, A+. And just in time. Finally, I've got you. I'm waiting on your test results. Let me see your papers. Here you go. Show no fear. I'm surprised. Well done, Gina. What about you, Wendy? Okay. My grade. Ta-da! Another A+? Wow, I was convinced you'd fail. Excellent work, girls. Wait a second. What is this? I'll never understand you kids. I'll take that. Be cool. Phew.
Okay, you can begin.
I've been studying all night. I can do this!
We were supposed to study? Oh no! I thought it was an art exam! This is gonna be bad.
Too easy.
I know. I'll copy Julie's answers.
Can I help you?
Relax. Take it easy. Leo. What are you doing? Quit messing around. Time is running out. None of this makes sense. Oh, look at that. This is my chance. What would I do without my phone? Whoa, looking good. Hey, handsome. Aw, stop it. Wait, a plan is forming. This'll totally work. I'm a genius. Hey, Julie. Selfie time.
Oh, okay. Make sure you get my good side.
Sure. That'll do. That worked perfectly. Enhance. And now I have the answers. I'm gonna pass. Ugh, someone's calling!
Hey, do you mind?
Oh, where am I? What are you kids doing?
Us? Nothing.
Right.
Hi, Leo. I better get ready for class. Whoa, look at that! Are you kidding me?
This is why my bag was so heavy. But you can never have enough gold. Ah, my trophy. Life is pretty good.
Ugh, all I have is my notebooks. And my pens. Wait, where will I put them? I don't have a pencil case. I guess I'll put them here. It'll have to do.
Can't forget this. It's made from the finest silk and gold. Pretty neat, huh?
It's so unfair. Ooh, wait a moment. Would you look at that? I think I can use this. Check this out. I'll lay the paper on the table, and I'll fold it in half. Then I'll turn it vertically. Now I need a knife. I'll carefully cut along the seam. I'll do this all the way down. Now I have 2 strips of paper. I'll place my paintbrush in one corner, and I'll use it to roll the paper, just like this. It needs to be really tight. I'll leave a small triangle of paper, and I'll apply glue to that. Now I can roll it up. Next, I'll need to fold the tube. I'll make a bend halfway along. Another here. And finally, one more here. It kinda looks like a diamond. I'll cut off the ends. I want them to be straight. I'll join them together. This should make a triangle. I'll do this with different colored card. I've got more to do. I've cut a triangle from a piece of card. Then I'll place this triangular tube on top. Aw, it's a star. I'll keep stacking the triangles. I'll alternate the colors. I'll glue the layers as I go. This is the last one. Wow, look at that! It's perfect! I'll put it right here. It'll make a great pen holder. It works like a treat. Now my desk won't be messy. What do you think, Leo?
Wow, I'm impressed. But where's the gold? Huh? What the… Wait, there's a giant hole in my pencil case. Aw, that's not fair. Can you make me one? Please?
Are you for real? No way!
Aw, go on.
No, make your own.
So it's like that. How about now?
Let me think. Okay, when you put it like that… Let's see. I must have something I can use. How did that get in there? What else is in there? Huh? What's this? Hold on. I know what to do. I'll lay the cloth flat. I'll add dabs of glue to it. I'll arrange them in a pattern. I'll do this all the way across the cloth. Just like this. I'll go around the middle of the cloth. Now I'll stick pom-poms to it. I want it to be colorful. I'll wait for the glue to dry. Then I'll flip the cloth over. I'll need a length of string. I'll place it on the bottom of the cloth. I'm gonna put a line of glue above the string. I'll do this from one side to the other. I'll roll the cloth over the string and then press it down on the glue. Next, I'll put a dab of glue on either side of the string. Then I'll attach pom-poms to it. Now I'll apply glue to the edge of the cloth. I'll just go down one side. I'll fold the cloth in half. I want to line it up exactly. Now I'll press it down. There's still more work to be done. I have a thin piece of foam that I cut into a curve. I'll place a ruler on it at an angle, and I'll mark out lines with a pen. I want them to be evenly spaced out. I'll do this in one direction. Then I'll do the same in the opposite direction. I need to roll the foam up. Then I can slide it into the plastic cup. I'll need my glue gun again. I'll apply glue just below the rim. It's easy if I spin the cup. I'll take my cloth, and I'll place it inside the cup. Look! It's like an ice cream cone!
Whoa! It's amazing! Is it for me?
Of course!
Wow! This is the greatest thing I've seen! Here, take my gold!
Okay. Thanks. I'm not gonna argue. I've hit the jackpot!
And so have I. I love it!
Wow, I'm rich!
Pow, pow, pow! Check out this watch, Julie.
It's really nice.
Yeah, I know. It's pretty special.
I wish I had a watch like that. Oh, I know. I have a great idea. And I need that paper. This is gonna be good. I'll cut the paper into a diamond. Then I'll fold over the corners. Now I need to cut them off. I don't need these parts. I'll take the bottom edge and fold it. I want to create a crease. Then I'll do the same with the top edge. I'll join them in the middle. I'll fold them again. I want to bring the edges in, so it's a thin strip. Now I'll fold over a piece of blue paper and shape it into a square. I'll need scissors for the next part. I'll cut off the corners. I want to round them off. I don't want to take too much off. Just a little snip. That should be enough. Now I need to decorate it. I want to make it really cute. I'll draw a happy face. I think it should be winking. Now I'll color it in. I'll need a watch display. I'll stick it below the face. Now I'll take the orange strip of paper. I'll stick the face to it. And that's it! My new watch! Whoa! It's so fashionable! I can't wait to show it off!
What? Wow, nice!
Look again!
Julie? You've got the wrong time.
Oh, that's embarrassing.
My strap is a little tight. I better loosen it. Oops, too much! My watch, it's broken!
What's with all the noise?
It was a gift from Molly.
I want you to have this.
Wow, really? That's so sweet. Mwah! What am I gonna do?
Don't cry. This is awkward. I need to think of something. Ah! I've got it!
Huh?
This went better in my head.
Are you feeling okay?
Ugh, the shampoo commercials make it look so easy! It's all under control. Trust me. I'll need to cut my hair tie. Just like this. It's exactly what I need. Now I'll take Leo's watch, and I'll place it in one of the ends. And then I'll grab a needle and thread. I'll loop it through the watch clasp. I'll need to make sure it's secure. We don't want any more accidents. It makes a great watch strap. I hope he likes it. Here you go, Leo.
What is it, Julie? Wow, you fix my watch.
Just doing my thing.
It looks amazing. Give me a second. I have something for you. It's my way of saying thanks.
Whoa. You really mean it? It's beautiful. And it's mine.
Thanks so much.
Don't mention it. How does my hair look? It's hard work looking this good.
Phew, I'm not late for class. Wait a second. What's all this? This isn't my makeup. Julie?
Don't touch that!
Yikes. You can be real scary.
Now where was I? Oh yeah, I was looking pretty.
This happens every day. It's ridiculous.
Oops, I dropped my mirror. Better pick it up.
Huh? Hang on. Things just got interesting.
Where's my brush? Ah, here it is. Uh-oh, that's not good. It's stuck. I can't get it out. What's going on?
Maybe I can help. Snip, snip.
No way!
Hey, come back! Ha, I showed her. I'll get rid of all this stuff. That was pretty easy. I'll keep this for next time. Oh, better get my book. Class is starting.
No, Daddy, I want a pony!
Ugh, my stupid phone's not working.
Hey, watch out! Look what you did!
I'm so sorry. I'll get your things. It was an accident.
Hurry up.
You've got a lot of stuff. But I can help you. Wait right there.
What are you doing?
You're gonna love this. My 3D pen will save the day. I'll start by drawing a pattern on the phone case. Now I'll add vertical lines. I'll do this all the way across. I want it to be perfect. I need to make a smaller grid. It's about half the size of the first one. Now I need to join them together. I'll do that by building up the sides. I'll do this around 3 of the edges. I'll leave the top part the way it is. I'm finished! Take a look at this. It can hold all your money. Oh, I almost forgot. Your credit card too. In it goes. Take a look.
Wow, that's pretty clever. Thanks, Leo.
Happy to help.
Is something wrong?
My phone won't work.
You can take this one. I don't use it.
No way!
You've earned it. Be careful!
Ugh, it's a slippery little thing, huh?
I know what to do. Give me your pants.
How'd you do that?
Check this out. I'll need to make some alterations. I'll cut a square of denim from them. It needs to be slightly bigger than a phone case. I'll rest the case on the material. Now I'll cut a hole where the camera is. That was easy. Now I can get to work. I'll place the denim over the case. I need to make sure the camera holes line up. Now I'll glue it into place. I don't want any creases. I'm happy with that. Next I'll need more glue. I'll make a small square at the bottom of the case. I think that's the right size. I'll place another piece of denim onto it. Then I can press it down. A fashionable phone case. This is for you.
Oh, wow. It's great! My phone will be safe and stylish. But we still have a problem.
I'm way ahead of you. Hide your shame.
It was getting cold down there. That's better. I'll put my phone in my pocket. Huh? How did that happen? Hang on. Look at this.
Oh, I need to take this. Hello? Mr. President? Can you hear me?
Ugh, it's so embarrassing. But she did make me this. It's totally worth it.